This is the MSC Seashore. 1,600 feet long, 19 decks, over 4,000 guests sailing almost every week. But what is the room you book? That's what makes or breaks the whole cruise. Today, we're heading up to deck 10 to a balcony room to check it out that everyone considers upgrading to. The simple question is it worth it for you? Let's find out. Welcome to room 10-122. Let's head inside. It is on deck 10, starboard side, as you see here. Generally, the balcony rooms are approximately 150 to 200 square feet with an added 45 to 90 square feet of actual balcony space. To your immediate right as you walk in is the bathroom door. But looking at the room itself, you get the couch, then the bed for the layout. But let's head into the bathroom and look at that first. As you walk in, you will see there are a couple of shelves off to the right to unpack and store toiletry items, followed by the toothbrush holders underneath it. You will see is a corner sink with a soap dispenser rather than the bar of soap. Sometimes that is a good thing. Continuing up the wall, there is a magnified mirror for you ladies to get your makeup done before going out for the evening and have a nice dinner. Turning to our right, there's a shower with a glass enclosure with shampoo and body wash provided. There's a handle so you don't slip and fall, and a footrest for shaving. Also, the shower head, as you can see, can come off and move up and down if needed. Right outside the bathroom door is the thermostat and a Do Not Disturb button. Now, right around the corner is the closet space to unpack for your cruise, whether short or long. On this half of the closet, you'll find shelves to put the clothes in, or even treat it as storage. The safe is also in here, along with a couple of drawers down below. There are 3 of them, so there should be plenty of space for you and then one other person. Moving to the other side of the closet, you will find the hangers to hang things up that are typically nice to help avoid wrinkles. Moving along to where the desk is, and below that you will find the fridge/minibar that is stocked. Pay attention to the prices because everything has a cost. An ice bucket is provided along with 2 glasses. Contact room service or go to the buffet to fill your bucket. Now making our way down the desk, you have a charger, that black circle, 2 breakfast blue menus, the wristband if you want to add the additional charge instead of carrying your CPAS, and there are several drawers on this desk, 3 on the right and then 1 in the middle. Plenty of storage for camera gear, swim gear, you name it. And then in the middle is the hairdryer, ladies and gentlemen. It's plugged in, you cannot remove it, you must do your hair right here. And it comes along with 2 seats, one that can act as a table if necessary. Pushing that back in, let's now head over to the bed and have a look around. There's 2 cubby spaces on each side of the bed, along with a light that has 2 choices, a dimmer one and a brighter one for whatever you may need. Moving right along to the actual bed, it's 2 twins put together, and this blue mat is to unpack your luggage on, not cover up with. You get 2 towels and information on embarkation day. Now let's head to the balcony and see if it's all worth it for the upgrade. As mentioned, the balconies can range from 45 to 90 square feet depending on which option you get. It's a sliding glass door, be careful. And on the balcony itself, it's simple. 2 simple chairs and a footrest/table. Having a look around, this is actually Port Canaveral, where the Seashore is based out of right now. And now heading back inside, here's another good look of the whole room. Now let's immediately turn to our left and go to the other side of the bed where there's 2 more cubbies for charging, but however there's only 1 USB port around the bed. Walking back towards the desk, you'll see 2 more shelves and the trash recycle bin. Lastly, most importantly, the plugs. You have your European style, 2 USB and 2 US style plugs. The TV is playing the safety video upon entering. And if you need double doors and 2 rooms, this is your connection. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already.